TEGORAN. The grammar of TEGORAN is meaning that please try to do something or please look at something in English. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of TEGORAN, you can use with the verb only. And when we use with the verb, you should change the verb to be the te form. And after that, you follow by TEGORAN. Or sometimes you can say TEGORAN nasai, something like this. So what you have to remember that when you use with the golan, you should change the verb to be the te form. For example, ite, mite, something like this. Ite golan, mite golan, kite golan, something like this. Tabete golan, right? So the next, to make more understand about how to use the grammar of TEGORAN, we are going to see some example together. The first example here is say, もう一度やってごらん。もう一度やってごらん。Which means that try it one more time. Try it one more time. In this sentence, you see that we use the grammar TEGORAN with the verb yaru. Yaru is mean do or try to do something. So when we change to be the te form, we can change to be yatte, right? Yatte. So after that, we follow by goran. So we can use the grammar like yatte goran, which means try to do it one more time, right? Try to do it. In here, they just say try it one more time, but when you can say another way like try to do it one more time or try to do it again, something like this. The next example, もう一度言ってごらん。もう一度言ってごらん。Which means that please say that once more. Please say that once more. Or you can say, please say that once again. In this sentence, we see that when they use the verb you is being say. You. But when change to be the te form, you can say ite, right? Ite, which means say, try to say. So after that followed by goran, so you can say ite goran, which means try to say one more, or try to say again, or please say again. The next example, これは美味しいから食べてごらん。これは美味しいから食べてごらん。Which means that this tastes really good, so please eat it. This tastes really good, so please eat it. In this example, they say they use the verb 食べる, right? 食べる, which means eat or have dinner, have lunch. But when you change to the te form, you can say 食べて, right? 食べて, 食べます, 食べる. In the te form, after that you follow by goran, which means 食べてごらん, which means that try to eat, try to test, right? In this sentence, they say これは美味しいから食べてごらん, which means that you eat something and you know that the test is really good, so you can say you can try it. You can try it. Please try to eat it, something like this. So in Japanese, you can say 食べてごらん or 食べてごらんなさい, something like this. The next example, ほら見てごらん。空に虹が出ているよ。ほら見てごらん。空に虹が出ているよ。Which means that look, there's a rainbow in the sky. Look, there's a rainbow in the sky. In this sentence, we say that we see that they use the verb miru in this grammar. Verb miru, when you change to be the te form, you can say mite, right? So after that, we follow by goran. So we can say mite goran, which means please try to look at that, or please look at that, or try to look at that, right? So in here, when you see something and you see that is strength or is what happened is that you can try to your friends, you can say to your friend that please look at that, please look at this, or try to look at that, try to look at this, right? Which means that the TEGORAN that mean you use when you want to want another person to look at, to do, or to try something that you already try, or you already know about something like this. So in this sentence, they say, "Hora mite goran." Sora ni niji ga deteru yo, which means that look, there's a rainbow in the sky. Because you see in the sky that it has a rainbow, right? So your friend don't know, so you can say mite goran. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of TEGORAN. It's really easy, right? You just change the verb to be the te form, and after that followed by TEGORAN. But sometimes you can use TEGORAN nasai. TEGORAN nasai that you can use will actually be the person that had a position that are below you, right? But TEGORAN you can use with your friends, right? Another person. But actually you don't use with your boss, right? So actually you just use with a person that you have the same level position of your friends, your family, something like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。